Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have access and a browser open. Now act. Sign into the Firebase console and pick the exact project you plan to use. Once selected, open Project Settings immediately. That's the gear icon near Project Overview. Make sure you are in the right Google account. Mismatched accounts hide keys. If you work with a teammate, confirm their project alias. Next, switch to the General tab so you can view app registrations and web configuration detail. Once on the General tab, scroll to your apps and identify the app you use. If no app exists, add a web app quickly. It generates config instantly. Click the app name to reveal the config snippet. Within that JSON-like block, look for the API key field. This is the public key your client uses. Copy it carefully. Make sure you pick the key from the correct environment, production versus staging, so you do not mix credentials between deployments. After copying API key, place it in your client's config and restart the app to confirm connectivity. If requests fail, check the browser console for errors and confirm the API key matches the intended project. Mismatched keys cause authentication failures. If key exposure is suspected, rotate credentials by creating a new app or using Google Cloud Keys and update clients. If you still can't see the key, verify your Firebase role and try a different browser or clear cache to force the console UI to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.